Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the values for DPI switcher on ROCCAT Kone XP Air. To do it, go to settings, then go to DPI switcher here, and here are 5 values that you can set. So for example, you can set the first value to be 600, then the second value to be 1000, etc. And then when it's set, you can just use the switcher with the plus and minus buttons right here on your mouse, and that's how you do it, as you can see right now. Remember to, after changing it, click on apply. So when I change it to, for example, 600, I need to click on apply, and now I can actually use this mode and I can switch between them with the mouse buttons of DPI switcher. You can also instead enable auto mode, so it will automatically adjust the DPI, or you can set it to calibrate, so you'll be able to calibrate your DPI yourself. So let's click on calibrate. Then you need to move mouse pointer as fast and accurate as possible to the 5 moving targets and click on them. So let's start calibration, and now let's start moving the mouse to the points and click on them. Then click on accept, and you can see that you've gotten a recommendation, and this option you were pointing on, which you can switch with the DPI switcher, I was pointing on the second option, will be adjusted to the calibration results. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.